Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho OAuth with self-client tokens, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zoho OAuth with self-client tokens, start by navigating to the Zoho Developer Console. Create a new application by clicking on the Add Client button. Select the self-client option from the list of applications. Fill in the required fields, ensuring you set a name for your client. Once the client is created, note down your client ID and client's secret for future use. Next, access the Zoho API dashboard to generate the required tokens. Locate the Generate Code option on the dashboard. You will be prompted to authorize your application to access your Zoho account. Grant the necessary permissions to continue. After authorization, you will receive an authorization code. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Now, prepare to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Open a tool like Postman or use a similar API testing tool. Set the request type to POST and enter the token endpoint URL. The token endpoint for Zoho is typically https://accounts.zoho.com/oauth/v2/token. Include the following parameters in your request: grant_type set to authorization_code. Client_ID as client_secret as your client's secret. Code should contain the authorization code you received. Redirect_URI should match the URI set when creating the client. Send the request to the token endpoint. If successful, you will receive a response containing an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as you will need them for subsequent API requests. Remember that access tokens expire, so you will use the refresh token to obtain a new one when necessary. To refresh the access token, send a POST request to the same token endpoint. This time, include the following parameters: grant_type set to refresh_token. Client_ID as your client ID. Client_secret as your client's secret. Refresh_token should be the refresh token from your previous response. Send the refresh request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.